892. My name's Kanji Coder. You're on video 892. The source code is here. Let's fucking go. So in the legal stuff section, we have some monkey wrench macros. These are sensible names. They're sensible, but they're fucking wrong. The correction is suggested over here. Then within data by system, in the EG state data section, within our editor game state, when the program is behaving as an editor, if we scroll down here, we have a new setting called editor BS4, bomb state enumeration, of which there are 4. We're going to initialize it to bomb state 1, which is bomb is idle. And then we have a little footnote here for more information. Let's go down to the next section. So in edic 1, editor controller 1, this is the keyboard handler for editor controller 1 that takes a input keyboard event. And if we scroll down here, we're going to go to the Garrett Bobby Ferguson keys here, right? GBF for geometry, bomb, and FATA. If we're pressing a Garrett Bobby Ferguson key, if it is the key that is mapped to a bomb, B for bombs, then if we're not configured to set bombs yet, then we're going to set the bomb state enumeration to the idle bomb, okay? If we're already on the bomb layer, so we've pressed the B key multiple times in a row, we're going to increment through the different bomb states and go back to the first bomb state after we go out of bounds. And right here, we're going to throw an error if we don't hit either of those branches. Okay, tell me what I got. So right down here, we're going to get a shorthand reference to the bomb state enumeration within the editor, and then we are just going to log out a little message kind of cluing us into what BIV, BII, BIA, and BIE actually stand for. Then right down here, here is where we're actually setting the layer, right? Editor layer equals layer bomb, right? Making sure that we're configured to set a bomb into the tile map when we click, right? These little bomb thingies, right? Okay, so I think that's about it. Let's go down to the next section. Yeah, here's what we did previously. Then we got our footnotes and stuff. And if you want a longer explanation, you will have to go to this video. Go find video 892 on that playlist because you are on the Fast Advanced playlist. Technical demos only are here if the code makes your brain hurt, and source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. We're making a game engine from complete scratch, a fully destructible Bomberman MMO. Yeah, if you like old school Bomberman, I'm making Bomberman on steroids. Like, subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder.